Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Nodemon. Nodemon is a utility that will monitor for any changes in your source and automatically restart your server. It's perfect for the Node.js development. Installation of Nodemon is very simple. You can install the utility either globally or locally. So let's install the Nodemon. So go to the command prompt and inside the command prompt just type here npm install nodemon. Okay, now press enter. After the installation, for just type here nodemon space index.js. Okay, now nodemon is executing the index.js file. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here the application is running. Okay, if I make any changes inside the application, Nodemon automatically rerun the application. So go to the project and let's make some changes. So just let's changes inside the contact contact us page. So just add here the URI, inside the URI dash us. Okay, contact dash us. Now save the file and you can see here it's automatically rerun the index.js file. Okay, and if I check in the browser, I just type here, just refresh the page, and if I just add here contact, okay, is not found error, and just add here dash us. Now you can see here the contact us page. Okay, so in this way you can use the Nodemon. So that's all about uh, Nodemon. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.